Welcome back to the channel here, Tracer G. My name is Sammy. Today we're going to chart ONDS, ABAT, and last but not least, Webull. If you like this sort of content, please hit the like button. We've charted all these three tickers in the past. I've been sick the past couple of days, so I think we're due for an update on the chart. So let's go ahead and look at ONDS. Guys, we're still stuck inside this box I mentioned in my previous video. The whole suite acting as a indicator. It's sort of like an EMA, but it has a different calculation. But long story short, notice the whole suite was a key area where price action gravitates to and then acted as resistance. Again, look at this candle here. Acted as resistance once a price action hit the whole suite. Acted as resistance once price action tries attempting to break above it. But then again, once price action sat above the whole suite, you were met with a nice volatile movement to the upside. But then again, one key thing to note is that there is a resistance hard line on this chart. Notice the 81150 zone here. This price action inside this box, a key area 1150 is literally the line in the sand on the chart. We're struggling here. Price action closed below the whole suite, closed below a 382, 993. But look at this line on the 382. This area was also an important support and resistance band. So going into tomorrow, even though we did kind of get a nice little news wick here, price action was on its way to a key level area of support. Again, look left, support 870, support 870, support 870. Price action consolidated structure here at 870. So two things to note. Wait for price action to come to you right at 870 from a risk reward. I would just wait for this to hit here, and then I would ladder in. You kind of broke below the 382, which is a key area. You broke below the whole suite, which is a key indicator, and you failed to break above the 1150, which was it's an enormous resistance line. So wait for price action to come to you and find your and manage your risk with ONDS. It's very clean how ONDS is respecting the trend, at least in terms of certain zones. So just wait for price action to come to you. 870, not financial advice. Moving on to ABAT. God, it's been a long time since I've charted ABAT. The last time we spoke on this, it's got a beautiful, beautiful rounding bottom formation. And we were talking about ABAT, I believe, roughly around, the 380 or the 5 zone. Anyway, it's been a while, so let's go ahead and look at where she's at right now. We just got some recent news, some sort of headline news. They got reinstated the grant at 115 million. They just gave it back. You know how rare it is to get reinstated of 115 million? Anyway, in terms of price action, look at this higher high and higher low. What does that mean? Look at this nice bullish channel. Price action is hitting this top end band, but also finding support at this lower band trend line. But do not disregard the overall trend. It is in a downward channel. Okay, downward channel. As a market technician, my job is to understand where price action is going and what the sentiment is. I am not disregarding that this is inside a channel. So if price action were to come back and retest a key area resistance roughly around this zone, where are we? Roughly back up here at the 407, that would be another resistance line off of this upward channel here. Okay, 407. So keep your eyes out that this area, we're looking at a potential another 20% drive up here, would be an area where I would be impressed. Well, technically I would be trimming at the high, but I just want you to know the trend overall is still bearish. We kind of need to break above $5 for this to actually be an impressive chart and actually break out of this downward channel, in my humble opinion. Until then, we're not out of the woodworks yet, but I really do love what I'm seeing here with ABAT, finding a nice bounce at another previous higher low above the 0.5 macro ratio. Again, if you look left, was a key area resistance and support. Whole suite is looming right on there. We're catching it at 351. It's right up there. The whole suite is also relevant. If you notice price action, once price action sat below the whole suite, you got rejected. You were met with a volatile downward trend. Again, whole suite price action finding support. Well, upward trend. Price action broke below, downward trend. Price action found support, upward channel. So this whole suite, we're coming at it again. So pay attention to the whole suite. Pay attention to a potential new higher high. another higher low, but at the same time, do not sit around. If you're not, if you're holding, sure, but from a TA perspective, watch for the trend. And if we break the trend, well, ladies and gentlemen, we got a nice potential upside at the 618, 564. This area is in a very, very important area. Okay, but we gotta really break above $5. We gotta really fight here. This is the line in the sand on this chart. Okay, but this is the line in the sand on this chart for the $5 area. So ABAT is very, very good and overall, it's just a really good chart, good company. I do like what I see here in terms of the MACD, the oscillators, somewhat finding a little bit of a pivot on the charts, but I gave you the zones, I gave you the levels. Pay attention to them, okay? Last but not least, Webull. Wow, this chart, I mean, look at this beautiful atom and atom setup here. Beautiful harmonic, beautiful structure here. I got a completion point roughly at that 972 area. But you always want to see the atoms and atoms and atoms and eves are two different ways to, are two different patterns, but essentially the same idea. But look at the volume going on the daily on Webull. You broke above a local resistance line at 658, sitting above that entire structure. Look at this. Nice, bullish engulfing. This tells me going into tomorrow, this will have another continuation rally, in my humble opinion. And if we break above this B initial, 751, well, then that would align perfectly where price action will have a nice volatile movement to a continuation rally to the upside. You won't get there in one day. You'll get there in days. This is on a daily time frame. But this breaking above key resistance area at the 618, 754, you're above the band as well. The whole suite acting as support. Well, what happened the last time? The price action found support off of the whole suite. Price action was met with a volatile movement to the upside. Again, the whole suite should always be relevant on a chart, especially for me, because it tells you, hey, we're breaking out of a specific indicator. We're finding support above that indicator because it was relevant. It was relevant here. It was relevant here. Notice how price action kept bouncing off that ribbon. And on this chart, well, going into tomorrow, hopefully we break above this 0.5 ratio, 684, and finding a bounce off the ribbon, and then off she goes. Just pay attention to the overall trend going into the market. Obviously, today was a very, very bullish day. We had Trump tweeting, but follow the trend. Thank you so much. If you like this sort of analysis, technical analysis, please hit the like button. Follow the X account and join the Discord. There's a one-time entry fee of $20 to join the Discord. All the information is in the bio of the video. Thank you so much. Have a beautiful day.